Hey, the voice activated worked that time. I got my cigarette stuff lit. I'm gonna put down to half a mile down to the south end of the lake. And there's a big park lot down there. I'll just let you see and maybe stop and have me a cool one. I got a couple in the cooler with me. Here we go. Oh yeah, White Rock. Now you know why I got these big giant Ken, the big block tires. I got a cigarette. Got a cigarette in my hand and my mouth. But I'm driving with both hands. If you can see that, I don't know. Better stop. Make it all legal. I'm on video. We got a decent view. Getting a big rock underneath my foot peg, under my kickstand here, so it don't fall over. Okay, we're good there. Yeah, it's pretty nice down here. I might just come down here and camp out up on the edge somewhere instead up there right by the highway. It's so noisy, and that's a busy road all night long with trucks and stuff. Maybe in a week or two I'll be down here camping out. Ah, well, there went one of the rocks sliding. Come on, bike, get up. There. Stayed. Cool breeze. Okay, now we'll see if the voice activated will work again. GoPro, stop recording.